channel. Today I'm going to be sharing Reno update number 2. I thought I'd share with you what we have done, how far we have come, and what's in store in the next couple weeks. So I'm going to turn the camera around and I'm going to take you along and kind of show you everything. So big change right here. I have painted the back of the stairs. I am doing it in Benjamin Moore Decorators White because that will be the color of the kitchen. We also have a primer on the ceiling, and I had painted the wall coming down to the basement and also the runners on the side. I think that's what they're called. And then I'm going to be doing the stairs as well, which will be a completely separate video, DIY video, as well as kind of makeover video, both on my DIY channel and on this channel. So we have started to paint. I am using Sherwin-Williams Repose Gray, but so the color is Sherwin-Williams Repose Gray, but I am using Benjamin Moore paint just because I prefer it over Sherwin-Williams. That's pretty much the reason why. So, and I'm doing it in eggshell, I think. I think it is an eggshell. Let me just check. Actually, yes, eggshell. So that's as much of an update. So this was pretty much, my husband was just trying to use up a little bit of paint that he had from the family room, but we'll end up painting all of this hallway and the family room in that color. I have different color picked out for the living room and dining room. So here is the floor. So the floor that I'm going to be putting down is the Provenza luxury vinyl, and it's in Finally Mine, and it's really weird how different it looks in each room. I absolutely love this floor, and I can't wait to see how it looks in my whole main floor. So we are going to be ripping out this tile after the long weekend, and then we're gonna start with we're gonna have half the wall painted, the ceilings and the trim by then, hopefully, and my husband's gonna start with board and batten in this room as well as that room, and then so first is gonna be the floor and then board and batten for those rooms. So this room, the ceiling, I was fixing it over here, and it only has a primer on, so it's kind of showing through a little bit more, but I'm hoping that once the paint goes on, it'll look better. We had fixed up all the little nicks in the wall. My husband still has to fix the hole where he was taking out the baseboards. So this room is almost ready for painting. This room has been painted. We're going to be replacing that light. So this is Repose Gray. I have actually ordered new couches for this room as well, but they're saying it's going to take up to 6 months to get them. So we'll see about that. And I have decided that I might be making over this coffee table as well, which I love this coffee table. It is one of the top watched videos on my DIY channel when I made it over first time, but with all the colors and everything that's coming to this room, I don't think that one's gonna work anymore, and I have an idea of how to make it work because I do still love the shape of it and the style of it. So in the kitchen, nothing has changed much. The kitchen will be going out next week, and I'm going to take you upstairs and show you all the things that I had purchased, kind of a little bit of a haul for like my faucets, my lighting, and a couple decor pieces and stuff like that. So but that's all, most of it is for the kitchen, but as far as anything changing, nothing has changed. Like I said, the kitchen will be going out next weekend because The weekend after that is a long weekend, and the floor's going out, and the kitchen has to be removed before that happens. So, and as far as these stairs, I'm not touching them until the tile floor is out. That's when I'm going to be moving on and refinishing those. So still lots to do, but I feel like we are making progress. I'm sure once the kitchen's out, it's really going to feel like there's progress, but it's definitely a slow moving, but there's just so much to do that I'm okay to have the time. The kitchen's not supposed to go until first week of July. And then once the kitchen goes in, we're gonna finish the floor in the kitchen, because you cannot install a kitchen on top of the LVP floor. It has to be butt up against it. So, and my husband's installing the floor, so he's gonna finish that while we're waiting for the countertop. And then once the countertop he's gonna do the backsplash. So a little bit of work for him to do still before the kitchen comes, and then once the kitchen comes as well. So can't wait. So let's go upstairs and I'll share the haul with you. So here is a bit of a decor haul. I think last time I already shared the sink that I bought. Now the sink is gone to the kitchen company. They needed it for the cabinet so they can build it. And I can't remember if I shared, but I did buy these 4 of these stools as well. They are the West Elm stools. I can link them down below, but like I said, I can't remember if I had shared them in my last one or not, but I had also purchased a couple other things. So these 2 lamps were actually an early Mother's Day present from my kids, because I got them at HomeSense, and I saw them, I love them, so my husband thought it would be a good idea for them to buy them for Mother's Day, because they always need ideas, so he suggested it, so they picked it up. This one was $100 and this one was $169. A bit of a splurge for sure, but I think they're gonna look great in those are gonna go in the family room. And then, because I've never had actually lamps in a family room, but the position that the TV is in now, the light gives it a glare, so we wanted to have some lamps off to a side to have them on when we're in it, if we're watching TV and whatnot, and that way that prevents from the glare on the TV. Then I had, this was like such a good deal. I picked these up at Canadian Tire. They were on sale. I think they're regular $140, but they were on sale for $99. And these are going to be going over my island. So yeah, so I thought that was a pretty good deal. I did see similar ones at lighting stores. They were around $300, and I did take them out, looked at them, and I thought they were fabulous and a great deal. Now this is a big, huge splurge for me. I had ordered them a while back, and they finally came. This is my pot filler faucet, my main faucet, and my RO faucet. So here is, let me show you what this is all like. So this is, like I said, a beverage faucet. That's what it looks like. Not beverage faucet, a pot filler. So that's gonna go above my stove. It's by Delta. It's called, I think this is the Contemporary one, and it's guaranteed for life. And then this one is going to be I think this is the main faucet. Yeah. So the funny thing is with this one, so it's by Brizo. It's called Odin, with an arc spout. And it doesn't come with a handle, so I did have to order a handle separately. And that's what it looks like. And then I had picked up a matching RO faucet to go with it. Now this one did come with a handle, so I'm excited for these and how they're gonna look. Like I said, these were a very big splurge. I can link them all down below if you want to check them out yourself. Yeah, so I hope you had enjoyed this video. Let me know what you are excited on seeing, and I can't wait for it all to be done. The kitchen is going out, like I said, in 2 weeks. No, in less than 2 weeks. The floor is going on in 2 weeks, and then my husband's gonna start with all the stuff that he needs to do in the kitchen to prep it for the install, and he's also going to start on the floors as well as the board and batten and all that other fun stuff, and I'm just gonna be supervising and making sure he's doing a great job. So until next time, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you all so much for watching.
I know that I haven't been who I was. I am supposed to be the one.